This is the February 2022 1-month overview for silver. It's currently 8:37 p.m. on the 27th of January 2022. We're doing silver February 2022. The overall theme and behavior for silver is going to be the revisiting of an important opportunity at a low, at a support level. It's crossed with a big move higher along a diagonal trend line, breaking through a horizontal resistance to meet a second resistance before pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. Wow, a lot of queen going on. There's definitely a female ruler involved somehow here. 3 queens in a row, wow. And the behavior around the February month's highs, its main highs, major highs, is going to be a sharp dip out of those within a period of volatility. A sharp dip lower from the high within a period of volatility. And the low, again, is going to be a significant support level that we revisit. There may also be a male leader involved. All right. And we have the 1st of February. It's a Tuesday. The 2nd, the 3rd, and the 4th. 4th being a Friday. Try like this. Better off like this, sorry guys. I'm just planning this out because it's a lot of cards, so I'm thinking ahead as far as spacing. Okay. Monday the 7th, the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, and the 11th. All right, so we have a big move to the upside off of a support level, a large move higher, like very notable, especially something involving bullion even. There is bullish rotation, positive, and possibly some positive economic data in regard to gold, or excuse me, in regard to silver on Wednesday the 2nd. Then we have price swings and a really sharp dip that play out on the 3rd, Thursday the 3rd, followed by a breakout to the upside on Friday the 5th. Monday the 7th, we may reach a new high, or it'll be a notable high. There's a reversal in there. And then we're range bound on Tuesday the 8th. We're bound by range. Completion of a trend takes place on that Wednesday. And then there's a big move on the 10th. Out of a decline, there's a fast sudden move higher within a decline period, and then we have a continued move, a continued move in that direction, possibly some swinging as we go higher. All right, and then we have Monday the 14th, Tuesday the 15th, Wednesday the 16th, and Friday the 17th. Some good trades here, guys. Monday, there's an opportunity to hedge, protect long positions, or buy puts of SLV, however you want to go about playing it, going down. Then there's a substantial amount of volatility on Tuesday the 15th. A U-shaped or J-shaped dip with a significant drop in it takes place on Wednesday the 16th, and then on Thursday the 17th we have a notable bottom, a notable trough, significant technical bottom, and an opportunity the following day on that Friday, an opportunity to cash in on those short positions, possibly. Cash in on those short positions, roll long positions, and open up new investments on that Friday the 18th. Monday the 21st, Tuesday the 22nd, Wednesday the 23rd, Thursday the 24th, Friday the 25th. And then we'll throw in Monday the 28th there. I'm just putting down elaborations on some of the more ambiguous cards. Oh, there's also a fake out on Friday the 18th, some kind of intentional fake out. And it looks like we hit the top of a range on Tuesday the 8th, and decline. The completion of that trend takes place on Wednesday, and then we rally out of that decline on that Thursday. All right, so Tuesday the 22nd, there's a notable move to the upside, something regarding bullion again. Notable move, and then we sell. There's some profit taking on Wednesday the 23rd, near a close to overbought on the RSI, so close to 80. Then we have something improbable that takes place in the midst of a period of volatility. There's a fast sudden move higher on that Thursday, and then a continued move higher in something to do with Congress is highlighted, and there's a continued notable move to the upside. That Monday the 28th, there's continued moving higher. People are going to be, the street will expect the silver to be declining on Monday, but even in the face of some overwhelming headwinds, or seemingly overwhelming headwinds that took place here, you could see on that the prior Thursday and Friday, based on we have something happening, a fast sudden move higher, night of Swords is also it can speak of somebody on the media. It may even indicate a notable resistance level or price level of some sort. And then again, Congress highlighted the following day something like really kind of like out of nowhere sort of happens here, and then we move higher anyways. All right, so and it's going to have to do with something that was something that was hidden is revealed, comes to light, and that's highlighted around at least one of the local highs. Oh, there's a big push to the upside to reach a distant resistance level and form at least one of the local highs. We have a upside down J or an upside down U shape move, probably an upside down J shape. Wow. And it's going to be a notable move, the Ace of Wands. So that'll form at least one of the local highs. And then we're going to have a sharp decline through multiple support levels from at least one of the local highs. Local lows. There's going to be something that happens, like a significant happening, at least one of these local lows. We'll see if it stands out. We'll see like a notable amount of distance in price move to reach one of the lows, at least one of the local lows. Another big move downward to reach another one of the at least one of the local lows. Another big move downward. And I'm sensing right here that we decline from a high to a low, push higher, continue higher, continue higher. But yeah, this is like the Hangman's like falling through a notable resistance or notable support level and falling significantly lower. At least one of the local lows will form when we have we fall from a resistance level down to a support, and then along the support we just kind of move sideways. That'll form one of the lows as well. And another one of the lows is going to form after multiple attempts to break key resistance fail. And these are the trade advisement cards that I utilize. All right, so I'm going to be trading around a move higher along a diagonal support, but we break down quickly through that fast sudden move higher. We break down, ending the period of rallying, and volatility increases on the way down. There's also going to be a failed attempt to break resistance followed by a breakdown through a support level. That's going to be another one of the trades that I'll look out for. There's that woman again. So see 3 queens. Three queens. And then we have a trade opportunity. So this is likely going to involve the high, possibly even over here. I'm sensing it over here. Yeah. I mean, that's going to be like price swings with a bearish bias. Okay, and then we actually create a new bottom to the range, a new bottom to the major range of silver, and we'll be trading around something like that, a new bottom to a range of some sort. All right, so that's the first portion, and then what I do is I take out my notes and I mark this up on an image, and I'm able to determine the highs and lows and all that. So stay tuned, and we're going to continue on with that.